Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Mermaid Bidisha. Today I am going to share with you all a confidence boosting makeup look. So let's get started. First of all, I'm going to apply my facial toner. This is a witch hazel toner available at the drugstore, followed by the ordinary niacinamide facial serum. I love this on my dry skin. Then I'm going to use this CeraVe daily moisturizing lotion which contains hyaluronic acid, followed by a foundation. This is from CoverGirl, and since the shade is kind of lighter on my skin tone, I added a darker shade with it, just combining the two shades to get the right shade for my skin tone. Next, I'm going to define my brows to bring a frame to my face, followed by concealer. This is a waterproof concealer. I'm just going to use on the inner corner area and the outer corner area and blend out the concealer. I don't like taking too much of concealer, rather I work my way with little bit of the product. And you can see I'm defining the brow bone area as well, followed by this banana powder to set the concealer so that it doesn't crease on my skin. I'm going to mix these two eyeshadows, so the lighter taupe eyeshadow I'm going to apply on my crease and the darker one on the outer V, and then again taking the blending brush, mixing both the shades to make it look seamless, followed by a purple shade. You can use a brown shade as well, but today I chose purple because it's Women's Day, so that's why I wanted to stick to something that has purple in it. And in the center of my lids I'm applying a teal eyeshadow, and now we will see the magic. I'm going to take the same taupe eyeshadows and blend out all the shades. Then I'm going to apply my mascara and kohl liner, followed by false lashes from the brand Salon Perfect. I'm setting my foundation with compact powder. Now the next step is the most crucial step in my opinion when it comes to confidence boosting. It's contouring. You can see I'm defining my cheekbones, my nose, my forehead area with a contouring powder. Take your time while doing so. Always opt for some subtle shades when it comes to blush. You can see how I am, dropping off the excess product on the lid of the blush, and then I'm going to apply a peach undertone highlighter. You can see how I'm applying on the highest points of my cheeks and on the bridge of my nose. And then I'm taking this matte black eyeshadow instead of a kohl liner and creating a diffused look on the lower lash line. It's more convenient to apply, I believe, for those who are not comfortable using kohl liners. And lastly, I'm using a liquid lipstick from this brand called Stila in the shade Paradiso. I love this shade, and that's pretty much it. The look is done. And today I wore this purple t-shirt from Detroit Indian Women's Association. Make sure you check out the description box for further details. Thanks for watching everyone. Take care. See you all again in my next video. Bye for now.